doing a little A/B testing here to see how you guys like to get your videos. I just did a post on 4 hacks for you to look for things when you're purchasing a home, especially an older home in an older city like Hamilton or Toronto or Montreal or Quebec City. It's not even an older home. This is just a new home, any home. These are the things that I want you to look for, but this is the one in particular that I will tell you, because we've been experiencing this sweltering heat right now, what you can do to maintain your home is actually, look at that hair. That is crazy. Sorry. What you can do to maintain your home is, believe it or not, hose your AC unit down. So we live in Hamilton, and sorry, that's very distracting for me. We live in Hamilton, and the air quality here can be tenuous at best. And we noticed quite a while ago, actually, that there was a little bit of a lag in our AC unit. So I went outside, pulled, basically just took a look at everything, pulled out the hose, and realized, oh my God, our AC unit is sucking in all of this debris, and it not sounded like, but I mean, it just didn't look happy. It didn't look like it was functioning well. So I took the hose out, hosed it all down. Actually, I looked it up first to make sure that I could do that. Not a pressure washer. Hosed it all down, hosed the fins down, and I swear, my AC unit just went, oh, I can breathe, and it started functioning normally. So it's no different than your furnace filters. You should be changing those on a regular basis. We have our furnace set up so that in the summertime, in these really hot days, the fan comes on for 15 minutes every hour. So I mean, that's circulating air throughout the house. And that's pulling in all of the dust and dirt molecules and all of that crap. So you need to keep it clean. I lived in a house that was 1886 in Waterloo for 26 years. And this is like such bad home ownership. It was winter, and all of a sudden our furnace stopped working. This is with my ex-husband. And he was not the best at maintaining the home. So I had 4 rental properties, which I maintained all of that, did all the maintenance. I just assumed he was looking after our house. And furnace stopped. So I called my furnace guy, who was amazing, and I totally trust him. And he comes in and I would have appointments set up to maintain all of our rental properties, but didn't have him come in to maintain our own personal property, which is really stupid and something that I'll never do again. That was a big lesson learned for me. So he comes in, he's downstairs looking at our furnace. I'm thinking, oh my God, I'm going to have to get a new furnace. And what is it? The furnace filter was so clogged that the furnace just stopped dead, stopped. So this was hilarious. He turned the furnace on, he called me downstairs, and he's like, Melissa, I want to show you something here. He's like, you don't need a new furnace. And the furnace is choked. And he pulls the air filter out, and boom, it fired up. Our filters were so clogged. And by the way, we bought the really expensive filters, which he told me do not do. I'm not giving you advice like I am, an HVAC guy. But he said to me, buy the cheap filters, change them on a regular basis. Your furnace will love you for it, and it will last a lot longer than if you choke it up with these good filters, because they work so well and so efficiently that they clog up, and then your furnace stops, just like mine. So I'm talking to you as a homeowner there, but as a real estate agent, this is the kind of stuff that I look for now. I look for, well, not now, for a very long time. I look for, when buying an investment property, buying your first home, when people are coming to look at your home, how well maintained is it? I look at stuff like that and go, oh, okay, these guys are on it. They maintain their AC unit. They maintain all of the mechanics in the home. They're constantly on top of things and fixing things. That means they've maintained their home and done a really good job. So you're getting better value there. These are the things that don't seem like they cost a lot up front, but they will cost you a lot going forward. A furnace can last a very long time, especially if you have an older furnace. As my furnace guy said to me, there's like 3 components that you need to fix on a furnace. I had a 5,500 square foot commercial building in Waterloo, and my God, that's so distracting. And we actually, it's funny because one of the components that was set up in there was a home furnace. And it was maintaining one portion of the building, and the thing was like 20 years old. And my furnace guy said, you don't need a new furnace. You just need to maintain these parts on the furnace, and this thing's going to last you forever. So that's what we did. And the furnace lasted forever. So little tips, read my other post because I give you a few other items to look at as well. And I mean, there's many components that we look at when we're working with you to buy a home or sell a home, because I am a realtor that will come in and tell you the things that you don't want to hear. If you think your home's worth 1 point whatever million, I'm going to tell you the market is saying otherwise. And if other agents tell you they're going to get you that, they're just saying that because they want the listing. That's not the way it works right now. We're having a lot of hard conversations every single day, all of the good agents, because the market is reflecting what's happening right now, and people aren't buying. There just aren't the buyers out there, and there's a lot of product on the market, and they have a lot of choice. So they're going to pick the best of the best, flat out. Anyhow, that's all. I hope that this helps, and I hope that you will maintain your AC unit in this hot heat, because I don't know about you, I don't think I could live without an AC unit right now unless I lived on a boat on the water. Anyhow, peace out. Love y'all. Ciao for now. Bye.